Welcome back in English Improve Land. We are going to learn some English vocabulary words. Let's start. Prick. I gave my finger a prick with a needle. Be careful, the thorns will prick you. Stroke. Stroke the dog if you want, he won't bite. While stroking his little cat softly, he was watching the television. Cram. He's been cramming for his exams all week. I have to cram for my chemistry test tomorrow. Wicked. He is a wicked boy. Wicked children are quite annoying. Done. You can see the fresh buffalo done on the road. He got cow dung all over his boots. Ash. He flicked ash into the ashtray. After the fire, only ash was left. Haughty. She is such a haughty girl. The shopkeeper was very haughty. Repeat. Can you repeat the alphabet with me? I am sorry, could you repeat that again? Tear. I tore the newspaper into pieces. I saw my mother tear up the letter. Fear. I have a fear of the dark. I feel fear when I hear thunder. Escape. The prisoners tried to escape through the main gate. I have no chance to escape. Saw. He was sawing the bread with a blunt knife. He was in the backyard sawing logs. Scold. Don't scold the child, it's not her fault. Don't scold the child without reason. Wear. You should wear a thinner shirt in summer. He likes to wear woolen socks in winter. Sweat. She wiped the sweat from her face. I was sweating a lot despite the air conditioning. Pour. Could you please pour me some tea? He carefully poured the water into his glass. Yell. You don't have to yell, I can hear you. Don't yell at me like that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.